necessarily should, be around my life, because the topic has something to do with advertising. And advertising, according to the topic that I have to discuss, is why is advertising important in movie production or in what we're doing. So I focused on that, and I saw that, there are other topics that may be discussed, but let me just say that I don't want to be a professor in advertising now, but first of all, when we talk of advertising, the one I think that, as I checked with our dean know what more or less about advertising, so I connected it with what we're doing, which is, of course, the film that we're supposed to do, You Are That Woman, and then later on, the Queen of Sheba. So maybe I should justify and talk to you as if you are, let's say, the general manager of one big company, and I will justify to you why you should, help us by, sponsoring our program, because it's important. Why is it important that, one movie production should start with good advertising mileages? First of all, if you're a movie producer and you're producing a movie and not even one person knows that you're doing a movie, what's the point? You'll have your movie will flop on the day of the showing because nobody knew that you were producing. That's why it's a good gimmick. As I said, I wanted to speak in Tagalog about this, but for your sake, guys, I'm speaking in English. But it's more of like, I can't avoid this, but I have to mention. We had this movie called Talo Tabla Panalo. If you remember the guy Chini Concepcion here when he was director and he was trying to say about that. What we did is just on the very first day of showing, a lot of people already knew that, there's a movie that we're doing for senior citizens. We wanted to do that because we want people to be involved as early as when we're still filming. We're still filming the movie. We would, first of all, no choice that we have to really advertise it. We have people to know. But when I believe that the bishop is talking about advertising, he's really talking about maybe broadcast advertising, as you know, radio, TV, broadcast. Right now, you can use social media to advertise. So that's one thing good. But the better thing that happens when you're advertised is you are assured that when your movie is already put in place for showing, then people are already aware of it. So in other words, nice lang the name, no? Advertising.
Bluetooth disconnected.
Yes? Anyway, advertising would mean, people are talking about it, people are in the know, because that's what advertising is all about. We know this, di ba? When you're watching programs and then you're interrupted by some commercials, that's advertising. And all this are actually logistics. And to be honest about it, maybe our producer know that if we can get advertisers while we're doing the film, well, it's a lot better for a producer to be, supported by sponsors, right, Chris? If you have sponsors while you're doing the movie, like I mentioned to you about the movie we had. Before that, I had to talk to the mayor of Marikina City. He doesn't have to know because we're shooting, nobody would interfere, but I told him, we're doing a film and it's going to be here in your city. So as early as now, I want you to know that because actually I was after the support that he will give. But the bottom line there is true enough. Yeah. True enough, when the film was already there, we had a lot of support from the mayor because he knew about the movie. So in other words, what is advertising all about? It's about people knowing what you have. People knowing what you have to offer, you know? So whatever your line of business is, maybe this time I should really promote advertising per se to you. Like, of course, networkers would know this, that in a way, they're actually already advertising for their company. Because by the time you speak about your product, you know, people get to know. But the real essence of advertising, the media advertising has got to do with radio, television, and print. So before, when I was younger, it was limited. There was no social media. So we only say radio, television, and print. But that's why it's called before tri-media. Only 3 forms of advertising. But now we have a lot more than that because we have social advertising. We have, this is the most effective, the word of mouth. The word of mouth advertising begins with, as I mentioned, if you have your own company, you probably are not aware that the fact that you will talk about the product, you already started advertising for the product. But of course, there are also rewards there because if they get to buy, you get to convince them. But the best part is, you know, you can make a lot of money in advertising. This time, I will brag. I will brag about it, and some people who know, my friend Ning here, I've been there for the longest time, and I was supported by Unilab. It's a company, it's a pharmaceutical company, and they promote at the time milk product, something that the seniors can take. So in fact, not only did I advertise for the product, but I had politician friends like Mila Magsaysay, who was just beginning into politics, but I made her the model of that one brand, which is for the older people. And so the forms of advertising, as I've said, may be print, but there are also what they call below the line advertising. These are the posters, the billboards, the things that you see there. They're all forms of advertising. But the most important part, because we have to connect it again with our movie, or if we really are going to be blessed that we will have big sponsors or big advertisers for the movie, you're actually promoting not just the product of the advertiser, but the movie itself. And people will start talking about whatever you're doing. That's why we say it's advertising, it's important in whatever you're doing, because people, basically, what we're going to target is their awareness. When they're aware, whatever we're doing, and just like that's the reason why you have their babies paint, I think, or, you know, something like that. These are form of reminders or awareness, and that's what's I'm saying, that if we connect it with the movie making, it's important. I told you that because, like, what happened with the movie is we were able to finish it because advertisers, laboratory companies, and all were all happy. And you can even put, for example, putting something a shot, and the name of the brand is there. That's in the form of advertising the product, but at the same time, it pushes the movie so more people are talking about it. That's all for now because there's going to be a continuation.